Hello, good morning everyone. Come on in here to show you what was in that box from yesterday from Cricut, their new infusible ink. So let's get started. So let's pick up the paper. And the first thing I want to show you is this the transfer sheet, the ultraviolet transfer sheet. 2 comes in this pack. It's a 12 by 12. We're gonna see what that does. Here's another one. This one has 4 in this pack, 4 different patterns. Transfer sheets as well. Then we have the pens, because the new infusible ink, you can use the pens on the different products to color it in. So this is going to be fun. Here's some heat transfer tape. And this is a brayer, I'm assuming, or a tape. I'm not really sure what this is, but we will find out what we do with this. Maybe it's a lint. I'm not sure. Here are some coasters. These are pretty heavy, so these are nice. Maybe we'll start with the coasters. And here is a tote bag blank that we get to create on. So I've asked everyone in my feed what they wanted to see first, and they said the tote, so we'll do this very shortly. Also, what's in the package is a medium-sized t-shirt that I get to play with. And here's some cardstock. And this looks like parchment paper, some parchment paper. And so, infusible ink. I'm going to share my creations either sometime later today, or I'll at least share one sometime today, if not tomorrow. It'll either be the tote bag or the coasters. I'm curious to see how it works on these coasters. And so I'm going to put everything back and set my workspace up. This is the beauty of new things, right? We get to practice, learn, play, and see what things are. And so there was also an envelope in the package. So let's see. Some pretty cards. And this is just the instructions on what to do with the items given in the box. And so this is going to be super fun. And here's a picture of a bunch of different things and designs that you can do with this. So hold tight, and I'm going to share very soon. Thanks. Have a good one. Bye-bye.